Welcome to Best Choice. The best Derol Plumper is probably one of the most talked about beauty innovations, promising fuller, luscious lips without needles, offering a temporary yet noticeable enhancement that has captivated the beauty community, making it a must-try for anyone seeking a quick and non-invasive way to achieve a more voluminous pout. Number 5. Physicians Formula Diamond Lip Plumper Gloss. Discover the secret to a dazzling pout. This innovative gloss is designed to give your lips a fuller, more radiant appearance. Infused with a brilliant shimmer, it catches the light beautifully. Experience a luxurious sparkle that elevates your look. Formulated with mineral wear, it's gentle on your delicate lip skin. You can enjoy its benefits with peace of mind. Rest assured, this product has been rigorously tested by dermatologists. It's safe and effective for your daily beauty routine. Adorn your lips with the elegant light pink princess cut shade. It offers a subtle yet sophisticated touch of color. What we like. This plumper is dermatologist tested, ensuring it's gentle on sensitive lips. If you prioritize safety and a subtle, elegant shimmer, this is a fantastic choice for everyday wear. It provides a delicate light pink tint with a beautiful diamond-like finish. What people say. Number 4. ANMANSY Natural Lip Plumper Gloss. Discover the secret to beautifully plump and moisturized lips. This innovative formula is designed to enhance your natural beauty. Infused with ginger essential oil, it gently stimulates cell regeneration. You might feel a brief, tingling sensation as it works its magic. Enriched with vitamin E and white mineral oil, it not only plumps but also keeps your lips deeply hydrated. Experience a luxurious feel with every application. Its adorable and compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Easily slip it into your pocket or purse for instant enhancement anytime, anywhere. For first-time users, we recommend applying a small amount to your hand. This helps you get accustomed to its unique plumping sensation before applying it to your lips. ANMANSY is proud to offer this lip enhancer, crafted to give you beautiful, fuller, and deeply moisturized lips. We hope you love the results. What we like. This plumper uses natural ingredients like ginger essential oil for a plumping effect and vitamin E for hydration. If you're looking for a natural boost with a unique warming sensation, this one is perfect. Its cute, portable design also makes it ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. What people say. Number 3. YazzBeauty 3-in-1 Lip Plumper Kit. Discover the ultimate secret to perfect lips with this innovative 3-in-1 kit. It's designed to give you a stunning pout effortlessly. This kit includes a long-lasting nude lip liner and lipstick combo. They provide a beautiful, natural base that stays put all day. Experience the power of its hydrating and volumizing lip plumper gloss. It adds a luscious fullness and keeps your lips moisturized. Achieve a complete lip makeover with just one product. It simplifies your beauty routine, giving you a polished look every time. Start your day with confidence and beautiful lips. This kit is your go-to for a flawless finish, ready for any occasion. What we like. This is a comprehensive 3-in-1 kit, offering a lip liner, lipstick, and plumping gloss all in one package. If you want a complete, coordinated lip look with long-lasting color and volume, this kit simplifies your routine. It provides everything needed for a full lip makeover to start your day. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. Number 2. Julep 24/7 Lip Treatment. Introducing the Julep 24/7 Lip Treatment, your ultimate solution for beautiful, healthy lips. It's designed to provide continuous care, day and night. Infused with nourishing shea butter, this treatment deeply hydrates and plumps your lips. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a fuller, softer pout. Beyond a balm, it also functions as an intensive lip mask. Apply a generous layer for overnight repair and wake up to revitalized lips. Experience the versatility of a 3-in-1 product. It acts as a glossy lip gloss, a hydrating balm, and an intensive mask, all in one convenient tube. Enjoy a cushiony, comfortable finish that feels amazing on your lips. This all-clear formula enhances your natural beauty without any sticky residue. Embrace the best of K-beauty with this vegan and cruelty-free formula. It's a conscious choice for your beauty routine, delivering exceptional results. What we like. This product functions as a 3-in-1 treatment, combining a gloss, balm, and mask with nourishing shea butter. If you're seeking a versatile, K-beauty-inspired solution for intense hydration and plumping, this is ideal. Being vegan and cruelty-free, it aligns with ethical beauty choices while providing a clear, cushiony finish. What people say. No reviews available in the source data. Unable to extract points as the source is empty. Number 1. Derol Lip Plumper by Vafee. Do you dream of fuller, more glamorous lips? This set offers a simple solution to achieve that perfect pout you've always wanted. It's a complete day and night beauty and care system for your lips. Forget painful injections. This innovative set provides a gentler, safer way to achieve extreme, fuller lips. It's packed with natural ingredients like vitamin E and collagen to enhance and moisturize them. Experience round-the-clock care with its dual-action formula. Use the refreshing Minty formula at night as a sleeping mask for smoother, softer lips, and apply the ginger formula during the day for instant plumpness and beauty. This powerful serum actively promotes cell viability and prevents peeling. It works to reduce fine lines, repair damage, and give them a fuller, softer, and smoother appearance. For best results, use the Minty formula every night and the ginger formula each morning. You can even combine it with your favorite lip gloss to achieve more vivid and shiny colors. What we like. This unique set offers a day and night treatment, with a Minty formula for overnight care and a ginger one for daytime plumping. If you desire continuous 24-hour lip care that actively works to reduce fine lines, this dual-action system is perfect. It provides both instant and long-term fullness for smoother, softer lips. What people say. The Lip Plumper provides a noticeable volumizing effect. It delivers a tingling sensation that indicates the plumping ingredients are active. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.